Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while the poor struggle? Billionaires have secrets they don't want you to know. Today, we will reveal 5 powerful strategies they use to grow their wealth. Secret number 1, the power of compound interest example. Billionaires let their money work for them. Instead of keeping cash in the bank, they invested in assets that grow exponentially over time. Warren Buffett started investing at 11, and today he's worth over $100 billion. Secret number 2, multiple streams of income. Example: most people rely on one job, but the rich create multiple income sources: stocks, real estate, online businesses, and passive income sources. Jeff Bezos didn't just rely on Amazon, he invested in other ventures like Blue Origin. Secret number 3, smart tax strategies. Example: billionaires legally pay fewer taxes by investing in tax-free bonds, offshore accounts, and business deductions. Elon Musk uses company stocks to avoid paying high income tax. Secret number 4, buying assets, not liabilities. Example: while the middle class buys expensive cars and gadgets, the rich invest in real estate, stocks, and businesses. Robert Kiyosaki calls this cash flow investing in his book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Secret number 5, thinking long-term. Example: billionaires plan decades ahead. They don't chase quick money. Instead, they build companies, invest for the future, and stay patient. This is why tech moguls like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs built multi-billion-dollar empires. Now that you know these billionaire secrets, it's time to apply them in your life. If you want to learn more about wealth building, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.